Good morning, Vimal.
Good
Tawfiq,
morning.
sorry. Tawfiq, yeah. We are meeting first time, I guess.
Yeah, it's first time.
Okay, so Tawfiq, nice to meet you. And can you tell me something, briefly about yourself?
Nice to meet you too. And my name is Tawfiq Khan. I am
Yeah.
from West Bengal
Okay.
and I am pursuing computer science in final year.
Okay,
That's
that
all.
sounds nice. Yeah, okay. That sounds great, Tawfiq. And so tell me, how is your day so far? And, how are you
Okay,
coping up with
so
lockdown and all?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's been nice. Actually,
Yeah.
I wake up a little bit earlier than usual.
Okay.
So it's been nice. So I doing lots of
Okay.
things. I ate
Okay.
some night food.
All right. Okay, that sounds really nice. So Tawfiq, if you are ready, we'll start with today's topic.
Yeah,
Is the topic shopping for today?
no, I have no topic in my mind.
Okay.
So please go, we can go for normal conversation.
Normal conversation. All right, that sounds good too. That sounds good. So Tawfiq, firstly, I would like to talk about what's happening, right? What's happening now. So we have been in, COVID situation, lockdown situation since 1 year or something, right?
Yeah.
Probably even a little bit more. So tell me, how is like your experience and what do you think about it? How do you think it's going, and where it might go? Like, obviously, we want to return to normal state of being, right? So how much longer it take, and what measures do we have to take to reach there? Just, yeah.
So actually, situation is really going worse. So
Okay.
every in everywhere of India, the people are so scary, I think.
Yeah.
But one
Yeah.
thing is very good. All people are take precaution.
Yeah.
They are actually they are wearing mask and use sanitizer. That is the good part about that.
Okay.
And I think and everywhere lockdown is going on,
Yeah.
and I think it's maybe end in last week of July or toward beginning of the August. I think, in my opinion.
Okay. Okay. So for that, what are the things that we'll have to follow? Because last time also we did the same, but it comes back. So probably this time something new is vaccination, and
Vaccination, yeah,
along with following distancing and all the curfew measures kind of. Along with that, vaccination is a big thing, right? So
yeah.
what is your perception on vaccination? And we have such a big population, right? 120 crore people. So how do
Yeah,
you think we will cope up with demand and supply? So tell me your
yeah.
opinions on that. Yeah.
So basically, we have a huge population. So in my
Yeah.
opinion, the younger people
Hmm.
and healthy people, they will take vaccine delay. In my opinion,
Yeah.
because older people
Hmm.
are have more. Actually, older people have more emergency. They will have first. Then we will younger people are. Then we are
Hmm.
take after
Yeah.
older people.
Okay. Yeah, that is for sure. That
Yeah.
is for sure. Yeah.
Then it would be good.
Okay. Okay, that sounds nice, Tofik. And okay, now I'll move on to about asking about yourself. So tell me, what do you do? Right? What are you doing, and what are your future plans with what you're doing?
So okay, so basically, I am told you I am a student.
Yeah.
So in lockdown, everything is actually my college is closed. So online class is
Okay.
going on, but all
Yeah.
things are closed. So this time, actually,
All right.
I am trying lots of new things like video editing, and
Okay.
I am going with HTML, CSS, and my college.
Okay.
In my college, Python language is going on, and I
All right.
recently start off with Python language also.
That is cool.
So yeah, I'm also trying to get freelancing job
Okay.
in HTML, CSS, making website.
Okay. Yeah.
So basically, I am trying lots of new things.
Yeah. That sounds really cool. You can also try to start your own blog, right? You can
Blog.
because CSS and all are used in blogs, so you'll have a personal touch. And so I'm just giving a personal opinion. I also have a blog, but I don't know CSS. So
Oh,
if I
so
when I
what kind
learn
of blog?
CS, so it's about personal development and all, right? So
Oh,
like
personal development.
meditation, exercise, reading books, and also it's about that, and few poems
Okay.
also. So it's just like
Oh,
for fun. It was for fun, but like, since you're also interested in CSS and all, and you also trying to improve yourself, so you can
yeah,
experiment with your own blog, and it can be a good marketing pitch for anyone else, right? So if you want to pitch freelancing to someone, you can say, look at my blog. So these are the things that I make. This is how I can
yeah,
design nicely. So I think that's a very good thing, because investment is not much. Per year it's like 3,000, 4,000. That is fine, manageable, right? And if you do that, it's a very good practice. So it's just a suggestion, nothing
yeah.
serious, but
Mm-hmm.
it'll be fun for sure. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great.
But I do plan on starting YouTube also, something
It also.
similar
Oh,
on the similar topic. We'll see. We'll see.
That will be great.
So
Yeah.
yeah, that'll be interesting. So tell me, I mean, you're interested in coding and all, right? So what are your future plans? Like, do you want to develop an
So
app also? Do you want to develop a website or what?
so I recently I am preparing for masters in computer
Yeah,
science.
that's
So
cool.
but in future, in for future, I will try in making Android development and website. So
Hmm.
this kind of thing.
Okay, that sounds really good. So
Yeah.
what will your website be like? Will you make website for clients or you will have a
No,
personal website also?
I
What do you plan?
haven't. No, I haven't making yet. But actually, my
Yeah.
one brother, he has
Hmm.
a professional freelancer.
Okay.
So I help in that project in front end
Okay.
part. Basically,
Okay.
he making website and design.
Hmm.
So I help
Hmm.
him in. I help him in
Hmm.
front end part in website.
Okay. Okay. So that sounds nice. All right. So yeah, do you plan on making your own website also?
Not near future, but I will try in far future.
Okay, that
I
sounds
will try.
nice.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll just ask now, your general opinion on AI, right? So since you're into Python and all, so Python is mainly used in AI, right? So I would like to ask, your general opinion of AI. What is the future and any recent developments you have heard about? Right. So Tesla is basically using machine learning and
Yes.
AI partially, but yeah. So I mean, just give me your general opinions on AI.
So now time AI is doing great. So
Yeah,
everyone want to jump into that.
correct.
So I think it's up to you what you do, what you want to do, and
Mm-hmm.
what will you do. So it's
Mm-hmm.
in my opinion, it's up to you. If you like it, then
Yeah.
you can go for it.
Okay, okay, that sounds really nice. But do you also think, some people say that AI will come and they'll replace our jobs, and if AI comes,
Yeah.
it will be dangerous for human beings.
Human
So, what
beings.
is your
Yeah.
what is your perception for that? You must have seen movies also depicting
Okay,
AI.
so some work will really replace by AI and machine learning, but some kind of job don't replace by AI. That's managed well by human being. So it's
Mhm.
let's see what happen in future.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, that sounds good. And if you are ready, Tofik, we'll move on to the feedback.
yeah, I want.
Okay,
Yeah,
that sounds nice. That sounds good. So, Tawfiq, I'll start off with the good points that I've noticed. So, your English, from the first sight, it's good. So, it's definitely somewhere in the intermediate level, which is already a good news. The sentence formation is nice. Your articulation is very good.
yeah.
So, you're trying to say the words properly. You're
Thank
also
you.
mentioning points, and your confidence is nice, right? And you're also speaking, politely, so nicely. So that is good. All these things are nice. Now, the places where you can improve are minor grammatical mistakes, grammatical or verb, both are happening, not major, but they are happening, right? And
Yeah.
I think you can work on your vocabulary a little bit. So
Okay.
sometimes I notice that uh, you want to say something, but you're not able to say it. And since your confidence, it looks fine, I think it's the lack of words to use. So you're probably
Yeah.
missing out on what words to use, or you're thinking like, what should I say now? What words do I use now? So I think you're at a good level. So we have to work with vocabulary now. And usually I suggest how to improve vocabulary is to read more books. But in my opinion, reading books is really good because it will give you sentence formation. It will give you, a better imagination, and also it will help you to gain very good quality knowledge, because
Quality
usually books
knowledge.
have books have a very good quality knowledge. So I definitely suggest read books at least 5 days a week for 10 to
Yeah.
15 minutes. Just read a little bit every day. So that will improve your vocabulary, and it will polish your sentence formation. It's already good, but it'll polish it further. Right? Yeah. So these are my basic overviews. Do you have any questions?
No, I have no question. Thank you for
All right.
amazing
All right.
conversation.
Okay. Yeah. It was a good conversation, Tofik.
Yeah.
Have a good day then. All
Have a
right.
good day. Have a good
All
day.
right. Bye. Take care.